Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be creating this very beautiful, simple, everyday winter makeup look. So without further ado, let's quickly dive into the video. The first thing that is going to be really essential here is going to be an illuminating primer. Make sure that you use a good one. If you do not have it, just go and get your hands on it because it is going to give you that perfect shine and sheen for a winter makeup look. We are going to be moving on to concealer now. So I'm going to be taking a concealer which is 2 shades darker than my skin tone and a concealer which is going to be 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. Because I have ample amount of dark circles, I have a bit of pigmentation on my face, so I take a concealer which is high coverage. After that, I start to blend it out using my finger. I'll tell you why to use the finger because it is going to have a bit of warmth. And especially in winter season, your concealer can go really dry on the skin. So the warmth of your finger will help in blending it perfectly and will also help in warming up the product. So yes, I take 2 to 3 minutes in blending it out because the more time that you take in blending, the more natural and perfect your makeup is gonna be looking. Now once I'm done with this, I'm gonna be moving on to next step, and that is gonna be using foundation. And today I'll be using Dermaco's 2% Niacinamide High Coverage Foundation, which is very lightweight and gives you up to 12 hours of stay. The link of the product is going to be in the description box below. It is available in these 7 amazing shades. Also, it gives you 12 hours of oil control. The shade that I'm going to be using today is going to be 07 Cinnamon. It has 2% niacinamide and 1% hyaluronic acid, which is going to be perfect blend of science and makeup. I'm going to be dotting it all over my face. The hyaluronic acid will keep your skin plump and hydrated, and 2% niacinamide helps in reducing the dark spots and gives you even skin tone. It also has SPF 40, which is gonna be protecting your skin against harmful sun rays. It comes in 7 amazing shades, which is gonna be perfect for all Indian skin tones. And if you use my code Ritu2023, you're gonna get extra 20% off on their official website. Also, every time you place an order with Dermaco, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with me. And now I'm going to be placing some loose powder around my eyes because it helps in your concealer not to get creased. Using the help of a brush, I'm also going to be applying a bit of blush on my nose and also on my cheeks because I love that flush of colors on the face. After that, we are going to be moving on to eyes, and for eyes I'll be using a kohl pencil and just line my upper lid. Using a blending brush, I'm going to be blending it out because it helps in giving the perfect smoky look. It is not going to be like perfect smoky eyeshadow, but just an eyeliner. And just blend it out for 30 seconds, and the more you do it, more natural it is going to look. Let's move on to lips now. And I always make sure that I go for a dark pencil and line my lips up so that I can later fill it on. This helps in making your lips look bigger and fuller, of course. Taking a nude shade, I am going to be applying it all over my lips, and because it's winters and we do want colors on the lips. After that, I will be adding a bit of red color. So it is going to be a perfect shade. Anytime you want to go for a new lip color, just mix 2 and it works. Next up, I'm going to be adding glitter onto the eyes. You can skip this step if you feel like, but I want it to look like a glow goddess. So this is the reason I'm adding the glitter eyeshadow. Using my fingers, it's going to be best. And to make it more natural, you can use the blending brush as well. So once you think that your work is done here, we are going to be moving on to highlighter because who doesn't look the glowing skin? So this touch of highlighter on the high features of my face is going to be perfect. Next up, I'm going to be curling my lashes. Take 30 seconds with curling your lashes. You're going to be good to go. I'm going to be applying 2 coats of mascara here, not the waterproof one because it can really harm your lashes. So I usually go for the normal one. You can pick whatever suits your lashes and whatever suits your health of eyes. This is the final makeup look, guys. I really hope that you liked it, and the product link is gonna be in the description box below. Just go and check it out. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time with another one.